Yeah, let's stop the music. Spot 1, Jeremy Dawkins. He's the round mound of rebound. A fan favorite. About $3,000 in a 10 for the Charles Barkley from Auburn University. Big TNT analyst with Shaquille O'Neal. There he is in his slender days before he had a gambling problem. Charles Barkley, number 34. Played for the Rockets and the Suns. A little white dot right there. I thought that was the sugar. It is not. It's a little blemish. The round mound of rebound. War Eagle himself, Charles Barkley. The leaning tower of pizza. Funny guy. Still in the media. Always around. Little white dot there, Jeremy. Looks, I guess it's part of that little print effect, but boy, oh boy. Great player, fun player. He was great in his day. There he is with the Sixers. Let's continue with the pack. Wingate. Oh, no. No. Nicky 2 times. Like musical chairs, stop the music. Oh my God. I'm gonna literally lose it here. Nicky Z, paging Nicky Z. Nicky Z. The bull's humping my leg. The other one's over there staring right at, look at where's Nicky Z at. Spot 3. I think he got the sticker last time. He got the base card. Nicholas Zioli Jr. got the Jordan base card, and I don't know, a pack or 2 ago. And for the Nicky 2, you can't even script this if Martin Scorsese was here. Nicky Z, another matching pair of the GOAT second-year card. Not 1 time, 2 times. Not 1, 2. Nicholas Zioli Jr., another Michael Jordan pack fresh base card. His second in less than 2 weeks. Card 59 of 132. Holy cow. Holy cow. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Over 20,000 in the 10. 8s and 9s are phenomenal for your collection. He's one of the luckiest bastards around. Wow. The GOAT. Oh, let's sleeve it up. Wow, a Jordan sticker in the grade parade. A Jordan base again. Nicky's early. This is not a rerun from last week. You got another one. You'll never find a luckier person on the planet as long as you live for Nicholas Zioli Jr.
Yeah,
oh
baby.
My God. When you have a fever, go see Nick Zioli. He'll wipe that fever right off there. Michael Jordan. Wow. Pack fresh and beautiful. Nick, I wish you were watching. You got caught up the other time. Yeah, Steve McMahon, new customer, he pulled the Jordan base. I think it was last week. And he got another one. Not since Carmen Ciampi pulled 2 A-Rods out of a bundle has this ever happened again.
Can't touch this.
Not 1, 2. Nicholas Zioli Jr. again.
Can't touch this.
Nick, write up a review, because no one's going to believe it unless it comes from your mouth. Wow. Magnificent set to put together. 86, 87, 88. 86 will cost you quite a bit. Spot 8, John Williams, Jeremy Dawkins. 9. We'll stop the music again. Mickey Zioli Jr. Gonna reach out and grab you a little Magic. Magic Johnson. Magic Johnson. Oh my goodness. It's his 7-year card. 7th year in the NBA. Don't forget there was a little spot where they didn't make cards. A little less than 3,010 for the Magic Man. Nicky Zioli. We're going to be at the National Atlantic City in July. Feel free to stop by and we can go visit the Baccarat and Blackjack tables. Oh, God. Irvin. Magic. What the hell's going on with this pack? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my. I'm running out of buttons over here. I don't even know what the heck. Irvin Magic Johnson. Spot 9. Irvin Magic Johnson. I'm getting to the point where I'm building an immunity to pulling these cards. It was at 68. Steve, I don't know if you watched the 68 baseball last night. It was Banks, Yaz, Cepeda. I can't, like 5 Joe Torre, just a bunch of Hall of Famers. It was phenomenal. What am I looking for here? What am I looking for? Wow. Nick Zioli. I had the music just conked out. Spot 9. For you, Irvin Magic Johnson. Abracadabra, Magic. Spot 10. What is going on? I don't even know what's going on. What is going on? Not since I've heard the song A Flock of Seagulls do I present Spot 10, Pete Gamble. Pete Gamble. Not a flock of seagulls, but another bird. The hit from French Lick, Larry Legend. I don't know, he's laying a bomb on Kurt Rambis. Larry Bird. Just like magic, a little less than $3,000 for the hit from French Lick. An 87 pack fresh Bird. Bird and Magic, back to back. Don't these guys... let up at all. Larry Legend, little black smear right there, though. I'll point that out. Oh, my goodness. I can't even sip the bourbon anymore. Little black streak. Back to back. Nick Zioli, 9 and 10. I got to send a horn. That is some power. That is beauty. Bird and Magic, a little blemish right there, Pete, little blemish. 2 of the most dominant, greatest Hall of Fame players ever to play each other in college and throughout the magnificent era of the 1980s. Bird and Magic. And I'm not done if you just joined us, because there's going to be a little salute at the end of this pack as well. Goodness gracious me. The cup is, I think the mug has a hole in it.